Imagine a world where machines not only assist us, but anticipate our needs. This vision is rapidly becoming reality as artificial intelligence strides forward. Emerging trends show AI transforming industries through automation, improving efficiency at unprecedented levels. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, predicting diseases with astounding accuracy and tailoring personalized treatments. Meanwhile, the finance sector leverages AI for real-time fraud detection, boosting security. The creative realm isn't untouched. AI-generated art and music highlight new creative boundaries. But as AI capabilities expand, ethical considerations rise, balancing innovation with privacy and job displacement concerns. The future holds a dynamic interplay of opportunity and challenge. With responsible development, AI's potential is boundless, heralding a smarter, more interconnected world. The journey into the AI frontier has only just begun.